Did you know that a volcano can grow up to 6 meters taller every single year? That's exactly what's been happening with one of the world's most infamous volcanoes. Stick around to find out which one and why it has scientists on high alert. What you're looking at is Anak Krakatau, or Child of Krakatau, a volcanic island in Indonesia. It emerged from the sea almost a century after the catastrophic 1883 eruption of Krakatoa, one of the deadliest volcanic events in recorded history. This isn't just a historical landmark. It's a very active and sometimes very dangerous volcano that continues to shape the world around it. Recently, its activity has ramped up, posing new and significant challenges. The primary concern with Anak Krakatau today is its instability. In 2018, a major flank collapse triggered a devastating tsunami, a stark reminder of the volcano's power. The question on everyone's mind is, could it happen again? The constant eruptions, even small ones, are rebuilding the cone, but this rapid growth can lead to structural weaknesses. For the local communities living along the coastlines of Java and Sumatra, the volcano is a constant source of anxiety. They live with the threat of potential tsunamis, ashfall disrupting daily life and air travel, and the long-term environmental impact on marine ecosystems. Scientists are working around the clock, using every tool they have to monitor the volcano, but predicting its next big move remains an incredible challenge. So, what has Anak Krakatau been up to lately? Following the 2018 collapse, the volcano lost a significant amount of its height, but it didn't stay down for long. It has been in a near-constant state of eruption since, steadily rebuilding itself. Satellite imagery and seismic sensors show a continuous flow of magma to the surface. We're seeing frequent strombolian eruptions. That's when you get those spectacular, but relatively small bursts of lava into the air. Experts analyzing gas emissions and ground deformation say the magmatic system is highly active. They are essentially watching the volcano recharge. Each small eruption adds another layer to the cone, increasing its height and mass. This relentless growth is the crux of the problem, as a larger, steeper cone is more prone to the kind of collapse we saw before. It's a delicate and dangerous cycle of destruction and rebirth. The most dramatic recent event that has everyone watching was a series of powerful eruptions that sent ash plumes soaring tens of thousands of feet into the atmosphere. These weren't just the typical small bursts. They were significant enough to trigger aviation alerts and rain ash on nearby islands. What made this event so crucial was the intensity and frequency, suggesting a new pulse of magma was rising from deep within the earth. On-the-ground footage showed the night sky lit up by a fiery spectacle of volcanic lightning and lava fountains. This surge in activity confirmed scientists' fears that the volcano is not only rebuilding, but is doing so with vigor. It served as a global wake-up call, demonstrating that the Child of Krakatau has inherited all the power of its parent and is a force that demands our utmost respect and attention. In essence, Anak Krakatau is a living laboratory of volcanic creation and destruction. Its rapid growth and recent powerful eruptions highlight the ongoing threat it poses, particularly the risk of another flank collapse and subsequent tsunami. What are your thoughts on living near such a powerful force of nature? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this fascinating, you should check out our video on the supervolcano hiding beneath Yellowstone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into our amazing planet.